Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vfxexpert. So guys, in the today's class we are going to see main two important things inside Nuke while you are going to work inside Nuke. First you have to import your plate. This is your main plate. Then after this, first you have to set your project setting according to your plate. So this is again first important things. Yes, now simply just we have to press S, then go to this project setting and just we have to set this full size format according to your plate side. So whatever your main plate size, so just we have to set it here first. So this is the first thing inside Nuke. Then second thing, so this is actually main chroma sort. So this is just you can, this is original sort. Then after that, let me just type corrected this screens inside Nuke. So just you can see, and this is our final composite sort here. So now here if you will play this sort, so first always this will catch this sort in RAM, then only just we can play this sort inside real time inside Nuke. So just you can see first this will catch. So now just you can see this caching here. So now just you can see now this is just playing in real time inside Nuke. So now here let me just stop this one here so just we can understand. So if you will little bit zoom in zoom out this viewer, so you will lost your all cache here. So now just you can see if you zoom in zoom out this one here little bit this viewer, so you will lost your cache. So now just you can see. So now again if you will click on this play, so again first this will cache inside RAM, then after this you can play in real time. So while you are working inside Nuke, so always remember this one here. After project setting, you have to always check these lines here, which is actually full frame processing options here. So always check these lines. Remember this one here. So now if you will again just play and just cache this sort inside RAM. So now here after this again this is just playing in real time. So now after checking this option inside Nuke, so now if you will zoom in zoom out this viewer, so you will not lost any cache inside Nuke. So just you can see. So now just I am panning this one here, even just I am zooming zoom out this viewer, so I am not losing in this cache. So just you can see always this play in real time. So these two things are very important while you are working inside Nuke. First project setting, just you have to set your project this settings according to your main plate. Then second thing, always just you have to check this options here. So while you will play this one here, so always this will maintain this cache here. So just you can see. So now just you can see. So guys, if you like these two tips, so please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel. So thanks for watching.